This is a nice truck, huh? It's a King Ranch Ford F250. The 6.7L Power Stroke turbo diesel. It's a 2017. And it runs perfectly. It has, I think, if I remember correctly, about, I want to say 40,000 miles, or maybe just a little more. Let's say 45, just to be on the safe side. Anyway, it's a nice truck. It runs nice. It's powerful. It's custom. It's custom designed. We custom ordered it, and still runs good, just like new. Nothing wrong with it. And I love my truck, but we only use it when we need, for different things. We have smaller cars too, and sometimes you don't need to use all the big vehicles for everything, especially to and from just errands, office work, stuff like that. Nah, not needed. Oh, I don't have the keys. I wanted to open it. Anyway, just sharing.